Eskute V100 electric bike review and assembly guide best budget electric bike for beginners. Looking for an electric bike that combines fat tires, strong power, and beginner-friendly controls? The Eskute V100 could be an interesting budget option, but there are a few things you should know before buying. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Eskute V100 is a fat tire electric bike with a 48-volt 13A battery and a hub motor capable of up to 1500 watts peak power. Eskute lists a top speed of around 28 miles per hour and up to 60 miles of claimed range, although actual range depends on factors like rider weight, terrain, speed, and riding conditions. Its 16 by 4-inch fat tires are designed to provide extra stability, while the suspension can help make rides more comfortable over uneven surfaces. You also get a 7-speed drivetrain, disc brakes, an LCD display, and a twist throttle. Assembly is relatively straightforward, but it does require some work. You'll need to install components such as the handlebar, front wheel, pedals, fender, and other accessories. Before your first ride, carefully check the brakes, wheels, pedals, and all fasteners to make sure everything is secure. One major thing to consider is weight. The V100 is around 70 pounds, so it isn't an especially portable e-bike. Its wide tires and larger build are great for stability, but carrying it upstairs or loading it into a vehicle can be difficult. The bike is marketed as a Class 3 e-bike, but regulations for electric bikes vary by location. Before riding, check your local laws regarding speed, motor power, helmets, and where Class 3 e-bikes are permitted. Overall, the Eskute V100 is best suited to riders who want a powerful, stable fat tire e-bike for commuting, recreational riding, and light off-road use. If portability and lightweight design are your priorities, you may want to consider something smaller. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your next product suggestion.